Ashwagandha, the herb that everyone's talking about. Is it just for building muscle, relaxing one's brain, or is it for much more? This video, we're going to cover the benefits of ashwagandha tea and how to implement it into your body. Zenz has hundreds of videos on healthy organic teas and herbal remedies. To learn more, visit the website zenztea.com. Before discussing the benefits of ashwagandha, it's important to understand the field of herbalism. Ashwagandha is an herb that grows in many environments, and it's a staple in traditional Chinese medicine. It's known for helping one get balanced. There are many herbs that can be used to help balance one's hormones, mental health, their physical health. Those are called adaptogenic herbs, and one of the staples is ashwagandha. Ashwagandha has a root, and that root can be boiled, cut up into pieces, or turned into a powder. It's used in ointments, you can take it as supplements. In my personal opinion, the most effective way to use ashwagandha is to grab it in your own backyard and cook it. Eat it, consume all of it. Not all ashwagandhas are the same, depending on where it's grown, how it's harvested, if it's been genetically modified. Here at Zenz Tea House, we import our ashwagandha from India. We don't like to use Chinese ashwagandha because a lot of the Chinese herbs, even though they are traditional Chinese herbs, the fields that are in China are not always genetically modified free. That is, they've been compromised. There's a lot of supplement companies that use very low levels of ashwagandha, and they'll add other ingredients into those little pills. This is why a lot of people prefer teas. You can brew ashwagandha tea, put it on ice, and leave it in your refrigerator for 3 or 4 days. You typically want to drink ashwagandha while it's hot. Best when you want to relax. Some people use ashwagandha as a post-workout. Why? Because it helps the body recover. It is an adaptogenic herb, and adaptogens, the way it works is if you're hot, it helps you cool down. If you're weak, it helps you get stronger. One of the side effects of ashwagandha is an improvement of overall health, and that's why a lot of people like to recommend it for reproductive purposes, because many people today are living very unhealthy lives and they need to get their bodies balanced. Erectile dysfunction, irregular ovulation, hormones can often be affected by one's diet or lifestyle, and ashwagandha is a great adaptogenic herb that helps to balance and reset the body. Again, if you want to try your ashwagandha, take a look at the website zenztea.com, and if you have your own testimonials about this powerful traditional Chinese medicine, please leave them in the comment below.